Can I ask you a question? What make a film poster more attractive? Is that the actors look in the poster? Or is that the attraction of the title effects? Or is that the totality of the design? Comment your opinion here in the comment box. So let's move to the tutorials. See, this is a poster, and here you can notice that there is some shades over here and here for everyone. So I am going to add that shade using the brush tool. So I am introducing the brush tool here for this kind of effect. So for that I'll be selecting this layer, and above this layer I am going to create a new layer. Okay, here I am using the brush tool, and I'll be selecting the brush as the first one, which is 0 hardness. Okay, size you can set accordingly. So this is the size now. Okay, now I am going to pick the color that I need. So I am adding a color which is similar to this. Okay, this is the color I'm going to select. Okay. So I'll start brush this over here. Okay, and I'll just drag this. Okay, and I'll be selecting another color. It is a little bit bluish. Okay, I'll be applying this over here. You may be thinking what I'm going to do here. Okay, we will decide the final output. You know, when you see the final output, all your doubts will be cleared. Okay, I'll show you what the output will be. This is the layer where I painted. So I am applying a soft light blending mode for here. So it will be like this, and I'll be changing the opacity to 30. So this is okay. So if you are seeing this image without this will be like, you know, very whitish. Now it is having a very good tint and good tone. So you can make changes to this layer and this layer as well. So I'll be selecting this layer for that here. Okay, add a new layer. Okay, so I applied this for this layer too. So we have made necessary settings that will match the original poster. So guys, that was the 4th chapter of our film poster design series, and you have learned various layer masking techniques and different transparency options in Photoshop. So you know what? Our next chapter will be the final chapter of film poster design series. Yes, we are going to complete our film poster design in the next chapter. So I will see you with another video with the final chapter. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see